Hey everyone, let me share a little something about my wife. My wife is crazy and she has some issues. Wait. Wait. And no, these words aren't mine, they're her dad's. Picture this: 6 years back, I plucked up the courage to ask her dad for her hand in marriage. And what does he hit me with? You know she's got some issues, right? I'm like, yeah, she's a bit out there, but I adore her. Then he drops the bomb, in a very serious tone. He said, she's got more issues than you think, son. I'm nodding, like, yeah, I know, but I still want her. He goes, alright, don't say I didn't warn you. And then he gives me his blessing. Fast forward to now, and let me tell you, she's proven her old man right. But despite all the craziness, I still love her to bits. So, buckle up, 'cause I've got a bunch of tales to share about my wifey. And guess what? Love her more with each passing day. Life with her is like a roller coaster ride, but hey, it's one heck of a thrilling ride that I wouldn't trade for the world. So here's to my wife, with all her quirks and issues, she's mine, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Cheers to love and all its beautiful madness.
Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.